We are pleased to show you the 2022 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.